I want to show you how to make $500 per day online with no marketing experience, no tech skills, and literally no money to get started. Leveraging the same model that I'm about to show you, I made $115,000 last month with over $47,000 in monthly recurring revenue, which means even if I don't make any more money this next month, I'm still going to make $47,000 because it is recurring. So let me break this business model down for you real quick. Step 1, pull up Google. Easy enough, right? Step 2, we're going to find a local business in your local area that we can help get to the top of Google without even running ads. So for this example, we're going to use plumbers near me. Now, when we scroll down past the ads, what we're going to find is local businesses in your local area that are recommended by Google. And you can see they're recommended because they have 480 reviews, 15,000 reviews. So we want to find businesses with not a lot of reviews, help them get more reviews so they can get ranked at the top of Google. All right, I found Jerry's Plumbing. They only have 5-star reviews, but they've been in business for over 10 years. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect their business to a simple software that's going to be able to automate the whole online review process so they can get more 5-star reviews on complete autopilot without me having to do anything on an ongoing basis. So here's a look at the software. All I have to do is come over here and click connect. Then once you've connected that business account, all you can do is click generate link and save, and everything else is done for you on complete autopilot. And the best part about this is business owners will pay you $500 per month every single month for this simple service.